We're here at Innovative Car Sound with a GMC Yukon. This is body style 99 to 2002. Chevy Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, GMC Sierra, and Yukon. We've talked about it before. There's a right way and a wrong way to do the doubled-in install in this vehicle, and this is the perfect example of doing it the wrong way. You can see here there's a center trim piece that's missing. It goes from this end across to this end. They chopped it off. Now they have a gap on the left and the right side of the radio. They cut into the top piece of the dash. You have a jagged edge going across the top. So we're going to remove the radio, remove the dash, replace it with an aftermarket doubled-in dash kit. It's going to sit flush into the dash and give you a side angle how much it's sticking out. When we get done with it, it's going to sit all the way into the dash and it'll have a clean finish. As soon as it's all set and ready to go, we'll do another video, show you guys how it looks like. We'll see you guys in a little while.